If we want to keep offshore wind energy financially competitive, we must raise its efficiency to a higher level. To achieve this, we designed the manufacturing of offshore wind turbine foundations to be as effortless as possible. That's why at SIF Group, we're developing Skybox, our all-in-one solution for a TP-less monopile platform. Our Skybox can be installed by all existing or new build installation vessels in one piece by a single lift, be it on anchors or on DP, using a large jackup or even a small geared transport vessel. Because there's no need to weld brackets onto the monopile, we're not only increasing drivability, we're also keeping costs down. On average, going TP-less saves up to 10% in foundation costs. Skybox raises this by up to 15%. We've just completed our proof of concept by researching existing principles and calculating our design. As of now, we're testing the feasibility of manufacturing the Skybox, including our slip joint, as we're prototyping our first offshore demonstrator, the Skybox Lite. In the next phase, we're planning to upscale dimensions and target to obtain a DNV A-level certificate while working on our second demonstrator, the Skybox Full, starting in 2023, on track to large-scale production in 2024.